A couple things. I think everybody can agree that finding deals is not incredibly easy, right? Same with raising capital. Extremely simple, not really. It's a grind, it's tough, for sure. And then what every successful deal needs is finding the deal, raising the capital, and some good partners. That's usually what you hear. But I'll tell you that there's something missing here, right? Instead of that three-legged stool, I'd rather sit on this four-legged stool that has asset management as one of those legs. So this is really what creates a successful deal. I'm gonna focus on asset management. You know, what exactly that means, it's the oversight and being able to push the performance on an asset from the ownership side. So whether that's, if you've got a third-party property manager that's doing the property management, or even if you're doing it in-house, there needs to be somebody that's leading the business plan and making sure that you're hitting your numbers and that you're on track. This is, like I mentioned, I do think this is the most critical part of a syndication, is asset management. I think a lot of investors are seeing that now. The market was so hot that honestly a lot of bad operators were getting saved just because of the appreciation in the market. But where we're at now in the cycle, that's not going to continue to happen. So you really need to know how to operate and operate at a high level.